Disgraced attorney Marco Bisbikis blows a kiss to loved ones in court, the alleged mastermind of a plot to kill his own client, popular jeweler Daniel Hutchinson. The accused gunman, Roy Larry.
Roy Larry is the person that actually pulled the trigger.
Prosecutors say that's Roy Larry on the e-bike that he and his cousin Darnell Larry had just picked up from the bike repair shop on June 1st, 2022. A witness takes off after the shooter as the Denali with Daniel Hutchinson and his wife Marissa rolls to a stop across from their pawn shop in Oak Park. She calls 911. Marissa, who was hit in the leg, is screaming her husband is dying.
He fires 14 rounds into the truck.
The prosecutor telling jurors Roy Larry fired at point-blank range. 6 bullets hit Hutch. 1 is fatal, piercing his heart. With Marissa right next to him, she's wounded.
Roy's mission is to kill both of those people.
And prosecutors say it was this man, Marco Bisbikis, who orchestrated that mission, getting friends and employees from his pot farm, Angelo Raptopoulos and Darnell Larry, to do the dirty work, enlisting Roy Larry to do the shooting. Roy Larry was arrested right away, but prosecutors say there was much more to the story, a story about greed, betrayal, and murder.
This jewelry store sold very expensive jewelry, pieces that went anywhere between $5,000 and $75,000. Very expensive jewelry.
Prosecutor Mike Krasinski says the jewelry store was grossing $21 million during the pandemic, laundering cash for customers, which was then being laundered by their attorney, Marco Bisbikis, who prosecutors say had written himself into their will and trust and then arranged to have them killed.
The case is one in which relies almost entirely on the government's and the people's 2 informants.
Bisbikis attorney James Thomas noting Angelo Raptopoulos and Darnell Larry are testifying against their co-conspirators in the case.
You're going to see that the story of Darnell Larry evolves over time.
Another potential problem with the case, the officer in charge admitting he faced disciplinary action for meeting with Marissa Hutchinson at a bar after hours.
Was any of that conversation that you had at this bar with Miss Hutchinson inappropriate or of a sexual nature?
Not at all.
But the attorney for Roy Larry telling jurors there's another issue.
The firearm that was used in the shooting never recovered.
Prosecutors, however, say the security video and defendant's own phone records will tell a tale of conspiracy and murder. In Oakland County, Amy Lang, Fox 2 News.